Here, once again, welcome to the class of TIBC in the subject of green chemistry at Vasantra Naik Arts Commerce Science College. Here, we are going to discuss about the unit 4, that is solvent, reagent and catalyst in green chemistry. Here, now, the tetrazole synthesis in deep eutectic solvents. What is deep eutectic solvents? Deep eutective solvents, that is DES. It is a combination of two or three safe and cheap components which are capable of self-association through hydrogen and interaction to form a eutectic mixture which is liquid at temperature lower than 100 degree centigrades with melting point lower than that of each individual components. म्हणजे हे मिक्सचर आहे. डीप युटेक्टिक सॉल्व्हंट काय आहे? हे दोन किंवा तीन सेफ कंपोनंट जे असतात केमिकल असतात त्यांचं मिक्सचर आहे. याच्यामुळे काय होतं की जो बॉइलिंग पॉईंट असतो मिक्स केल्यावरती, बॉइलिंग पॉईंट हा या मिक्सचरचा कमी होतो दॅन द इंडिव्हिज्युअल कंपोनंट्स. समजा एखादा ABC हे डीप इलेक्ट्रिक सॉल्व्हंट्स आहे, हे मिक्सचर आहे. या डीप इलेक्ट्रिक सॉल्व्हंटचा बॉइलिंग पॉईंट काय असेल 90 आहे. परंतु ह्या डीप इलेक्ट्रिक सॉल्व्हंटमध्ये जे कंपोनंट्स आहे ABC, आता एचा जो बॉइलिंग पॉईंट असेल किंवा मेल्टिंग पॉईंट असेल तो 100च्या वरती असेल, परंतु तोच ए जेव्हा ह्या मिक्सचरमध्ये येतो याचा बॉइलिंग मेल्टिंग पॉईंट हा कमी होतो, म्हणजे 90 होऊन जातो. तसंच बी आणि सीचे सुद्धा की ज्यांच्या बॉइलिंग 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेडच्या वरती आहे, बॉइलिंग पॉईंट 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेडच्या वरती आहे, परंतु हे इंडिव्हिज्युअल कंपोनंट जेव्हा आपण मिक्स करतो in the form of mixture, the temperature, that is boiling temperature of these liquids, is lower than 100 degree centigrade than the individual components of these mixtures. Deep eutectic solvents are most commonly known as new class of ionic liquids as their many characteristics and properties are same, but actually both are two different types of solvents. In ionic liquid system is composed of one types of cations and desired anions. This concept was first introduced by Abbott and Coworkers. म्हणजे ही जी डीप युटेक्टिक सॉल्व्हंटची जी कन्सेप्ट आहे ही कोणी आणली? ॲबोट आणि कॉवर्करने. हिअर ionic liquid system the composed of one types of cations and discrete anions are there. Hence, what happens due to mixing of these cations and anions, a mixture takes place. What is the safeness or benefit of this deep eutectic solvents is lower the boiling point of the reacting mixtures. Hence, it is environmentally friendly. It is low volatiles. There is no volatilizations. Hence, the vapor does not goes into the environments. It does not pollute the environments. Does not pollute the environments. Hence, to avoid the pollutions, such types of deep eutectic solvents, that is DES, should be used. They are usually obtained by complexation of quaternary ammonium salt with the metal salts or hydrogen bond donor such as alcohol, urea, etc. It is represented as CAT plus X minus ZY, where CAT plus is the principal ammonium or phosphonium or sulfonium cations. It is a cation CAT, that is cations of ammonium, phosphoniums or sulfoniums. And X is the Lewis base, that is halide ions, chloride, bromide, chloride, the X. And Y is the Lewis or Bronsted acid. Y is the Lewis or Bronsted acid, and Z is the number of Y. Z is the number of Y. What is CAT plus? That is cations. Cations. What are cations? The ammonium cations or phosphonium cations or sulfonium cations, and this X are Lewis base. What are Lewis base? This is halogens. त्याच्यावरती मायनस चार्ज आहे ते लेविस बेस असतात. And this Y is Lewis or Bronsted acid. And this Z1 is number of Y. Donor and acceptor. The donor in the hydrogen bond is usually a strongly electronegative atom such as NO or F that is covalently bonded to the hydrogen bond. Covalently bonded to the hydrogen bond. The hydrogen acceptor is an electronegative atoms of neighboring molecules or ion that contain ion pair that participate in a hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen acceptor, these are the hydrogen acceptors which contains a lone pair of electrons. These are the lone pair of electrons, hence it is known as hydrogen acceptor. It has electronegative atoms of neighboring molecules or ions that contain a lone pair of that participate in the hydrogen bonds. Here this is a hydrogen donor bonds, hydrogen bond donors. It has also such as electronegative. It is also electronegative atoms such as nitrogen, oxygen, or chlorides that is covalently bonded to the hydrogens. Here these covalent bonds. Here covalent bonds. You can see here this is donor, this one is hydrogen, this one is acceptor atoms. A donor acceptor properties of these hydrogen bonded atoms. In order for the hydrogen bond to occur, there must be both an hydrogen donor and an hydrogen acceptor presence. In recent year, DES, deep eutectic solvent based on chloride, chlorides, CHCl was first introduced by Abbott and co-workers. Abbott and co-workers first introduced. Here, these are the chlorides. Here, guanidine hydrochlorides. This is guanidine hydrochloride. There are 3 NH groups bonded to the carbons, hence this guanidine hydrochlorides. This is methyl triphenyl phosphonium bromide. Methyl, this one is methyl triphenyl. There are 3 phenyl groups. Hence triphenyl phosphonium. This is P plus phosphonium bromide. P plus and Br minus. Methyl. This is methyl triphenyl phosphonium bromides. Now glycine. This one is the glycine, and this one is lactic acid. All these are hydrogen bond acceptor. And this urea, imidazole, 1,3-dimethylurea, malic acids, sorbitals, all these are hydrogen bond donor. These hydrogen bonds are donated. These hydrogen bonds are donated. These hydrogens are donated. This one donated. Here this one is donated. Hence these are hydrogen bond donor, that is HBD. Hence there is a reaction between HBD and HBA, means hydrogen bond acceptor and hydrogen bond donor यांच्यामध्ये reaction. Here chlorides are hydrogen bond donors, and this urea is also hydrogen bond acceptors. Hence on reaction with each other at 80 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. Here, deep eutectic solvents are obtained. It is a deep eutectic solvents. It is DES, deep eutectic solvents. The tetrazole have wide range of application in medical field as they are used as anti-cancer, antimicrobial, analgesic, antibacterial, antifungal, antihypertensive and anti-allergic also. Means this tetrazole which are used in medicine is very important. There are number of applications of these tetrazones. It is used as anti-cancer म्हणजे कॅन्सर ज्याला तो त्याच्या संदर्भात ज्या औषधी असतात त्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा या टेट्राझोलचा वापर असतो. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज ॲज अँटी मायक्रोबियल्स म्हणजे एखादा बॅक्टेरिया व्हायरसेस वगैरे यांचा जो अटॅक होतो तेव्हासुद्धा याला या औषधीचा वापर करतात. ॲनाल्जेसिक म्हणजे इट रिड्युसेस पेन अँड टेम्परेचर ऑफ द बॉडी. अँटीबॅक्टेरियल्स बॅक्टेरियाच्या विरोधात जो ड्रग वापरला त्याला अँटीबॅक्टेरिया असं म्हणतात. देन अँटीफंगल म्हणजे फंगलचा जर अटॅक झाला एखादी बघा बऱ्याच वेळेला आपल्याला फंगस अटॅक होतो आपल्या बॉडीवरती. बऱ्याच वेळेला मला फंगसचा अटॅक जाणवतो. आपले खाज येते चुडचुड होते अशा ठिकाणी फंगल अटॅक असतो. अशा ठिकाणी ज्या औषधी वापरतात जो ऑइंटमेंट वापरला जातो त्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा टेट्राझोल हा कंपाऊंड असतो. अँटी हायपरटेन्शन ज्याला असेल त्याच्यासाठी सुद्धा टेट्राझोल वापरतात. अँटी ॲलर्जिक काहींना काही पदार्थ असतात समजा गवार असेल समजा वांगी असते काहींना हवेतले काही पोल्युटन्स असतात त्यांची ॲलर्जी असते. अशा वेळेला अँटी ॲलर्जिक एजंट म्हणून ह्या टेट्राझोलचा वापर औषधींमध्ये करतात. Also, derivatives are used in agriculture as plant growth regulators, herbicides and fungicides. म्हणजे या टेट्राझोलचा किती वाईड ॲप्लिकेशन लक्षात घ्या. किती जास्तीत जास्त औषधीमध्ये मग माणसांसाठी तर वापरतात परंतु प्लांटच्या संरक्षणासाठी सुद्धा या टेट्राझोलचा वापर करतात. इट इज यूज ॲज प्लांट ग्रोथ रेग्युलेटर्स. हर्बिसाइड्स म्हणजे गवत मारण्यासाठी सुद्धा या टेट्राझोलचा वापर करतात किंवा फंगिसाइड्स म्हणून सुद्धा वापर करतात ह्या टेट्राझोलचा. टेट्राझोल्स आर प्रिपेअर्ड कन्व्हेन्शनली बाय सायक्लोॲडिशन ऑफ सोडियम हायड्राइड्स विथ ऑर्गॅनिक नायट्राइल्स at 100 to 150 degrees centigrade, but they can be synthesized with the better yield using DES like chlorine chlorides, ZnCl2, marpoliniums based DES, etc. It is more environmentally benign way of tetrazole synthesis. Here this is organic nitriles and this one is sodium azide NaN3. N3 ग्रुप आला म्हणजे अझाईड असतो लक्षात घ्या. आणि हिअर सोडियम हेन्स इट इज सोडियम अझाइड्स. अँड दिस इज ऑर्गॅनिक नायट्राइल्स. दिस CN म्हणजे काय नायट्राइल ग्रुप्स आहे. वेन दिस ऑर्गॅनिक नायट्राइल्स अँड सोडियम अझाइड्स रिॲक्ट विथ ईच अदर्स इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ DES that is deep eutectic solvents, what happens are tetrazoles which are very important drugs which are very important chemicals used in various drugs for man and plants. Here tetrazoles, there are four nitrogens. Yes, it is the tetrazoles. In this way we have learned about these tetrazoles and other compounds or DES. What is DES? Deep eutectic solvents which are very important for environment friendly. It does not pollute the air, water and soil because the melting points of this DES is lower than hundreds than other its usual individual components. Okay friends, take care.